We are so happy and blessed na nakapunta kami dito sa Sulu. Kami mismo, kahit ako mismo from Mindanao, pag sinabi Sulu, parang ganun yung notion ba? So, na-erase lahat yun. Dahil from safe, yung roads, lahat puro sementado from coast to coast. So we from PCR, we will stay committed, consistent to support basta may mga loop, especially ang Sulu.
Hey everyone, I'm here to take you through an incredible journey on two wheels, the Sulu Loop version 2.0. Just last week on June 4th, 2024, a sea of motorcycle enthusiasts like myself gathered in the breathtaking province of Sulu for an event that wasn't just about rides, but also about unity, adventure, and breaking barriers. So what was this all about? Well, the Riders Enthusiasts Against Discrimination, also known as Read Bikers Club Sulu, teamed up with the Sulu Police Provincial Office and Gawad Kalinga Sulu to host this epic rally. And guess what? It wasn't just the locals who showed up. Riders rolled in from all over.
Wala ka lang, di ba? Parang yung Sulu. Hindi namin alam yung may Sulu. Pwede ko puntahan. Nag-advert kami dito. Sapa namin ganyan yung vlog ko. Potential billions ang Sulu. So what you have here, ma'am? Looking forward na makabalik kami dito.
Inshallah.
Kami ng mga grupo nyo, kuya nyo sa Big Bike, alam namin yung mabigyan ng diploma. And then, develop namin yung hindi porkit Big Bike masyadong mataas. Hindi pwede pumunta dito sa inyo. All big bike clubs, we take everybody as our brothers. Basta two wheels, for the love of two wheels. Let's enjoy the ride, let's enjoy the road.
Cebu, Sultan Kudarat, Tacurong City, Sultan Sabatongis, Marawi City, Cotabato City, and Zamboanga City. Now imagine this, the roar of engines, the camaraderie among riders, and the scenic landscapes of Sulu providing a stunning backdrop. It was more than just a show of bikes. It was a display of solidarity among diverse communities coming together, riding under one banner against discrimination.
Kung meron pong mga nandyan naman po yung ating Red, no? Sila naman yung nag-organize nito. And happy anniversary na rin, no? Yung Sulu Subquest.
The rally kicked off early in the morning with hundreds of bikes lining up, ready to conquer the Sulu Loop. The air was electrified with excitement and anticipation. As the engine started, so did the adventure. The route was challenging, sure, but the spirit of every rider there made it seem like a breeze. Throughout the day, it wasn't just about throttles and gears.
Oh.
Ay lahat ng buwang sapa, come visit to Sulu! Version 3!
Humirit pa talaga.
There were pit stops where local communities welcomed us with open arms. We shared stories, laughed, and yes, even danced a little. These interactions, these moments where we connect with different people, are what truly power these rallies. As the sun began to set, the rally concluded with an overwhelming sense of achievement and a stronger bond among all participants. We didn't just ride through Sulu, we experienced it, we felt it, and we embraced it. And at the end of the day, isn't that what it's all about? Experiencing new places, meeting new people, and making memories that last a lifetime. So, if you ever get a chance to be part of something like this, don't think twice.
Sulu, hindi ako nagdalawang isip na sumama dito. Mas maganda na i-ano natin ang mga riders na ang Sulu, safe naman. Tulad ngayon sa nag-ikot kami, safe naman kami dito, walang problema. At saka mas maganda siguro sa federation, national federation ng motorcycle, malaman nila na ang Sulu, hindi puntahan ng mga riders. Yun naman,
Grab your helmet, rev up your bike, and go for it. Who knows, maybe I'll see you out there in the next rally. Until then, keep the wheels rolling and the spirits high. Ride safe, everyone.
gusto yung Sulu Loop natin. Nakikita pa tayo ulit. At kailangan pa tayo. Makikita ng Sulu. Love Sulu.
Yeah.
Version 3. Next year.